Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down essentials and taking your first real shot. Set camera resolution to 1080p or higher and frame yourself at eye level. Once done, set mic gain so peaks sit comfortably below clipping. Position a key light slightly above eye line and a soft fill opposite to reduce shadows. Make small test recordings and listen back. Check background for distractions and move props if needed. Now press record and speak one clear line. That quick take confirms your chain works end to end. You continue by dialing in performance and control. Begin each take with a 3-2-1 countdown so you and any editor have clean handles. Once done, wear headphones to monitor for rustle, plosives, or background noise and watch peak meters live. Use a clap or electronic slate to create a sync point if recording audio separately. Do intentional short practice runs to warm up, then record full takes, tagging or noting the best ones. This keeps your footage organized and reduces time in post. You finish by closing the session and securing the assets. End each clip with a consistent signature line or a 2-second silent frame so editors have breathing room. Once done, offload footage to 2 separate drives or upload to cloud storage before deleting anything from the camera. Sync any separate audio using the slate or waveform align, then create a rough cut. If you encounter no audio or distorted sound, first check cable seating, mic gain, and app permissions. Try a secondary recorder as a quick fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.